Hi everyone, here we've got XIAOMI Mi 10T Lite 5G, and let me show you how to add a photo to a contact in this device. So first of all, let's open your dialer and go to your contact list. Now let's tap on the one you want to edit and click on this big button, Edit Contact. Now we have to choose the contact again, and let's tap on this camera icon. And now we can either take a photo and your device will open the camera app, so this is the best situation if you have the right person right in front of you, or simply choose a photo from your gallery. So let me pick choose a photo from the gallery, and now let's find the photo you want to use and simply tap on it. Now we have to crop the photo, and you can do it by using your gallery or Google Photos. I will pick the gallery, for example, and as you can see from this step we can adjust the size of this square, and thanks to this we can decide what we will see after saving the whole contact. So if you are happy with your results, just tap on OK. Remember to tap on Save right here, and as you can see the photo has been immediately applied. Let's get back, and it is also visible on our contact list, and you will be able to see it while all incoming calls from that number. So that's all. This is how to add a profile photo in your XIAOMI Mi 10T Lite 5G. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.